Hello, and today I would like to talk about the tires on my Riga 26 Mini. And as you can see, I've laid out the original tires which it came from the factory with, and also the tires that I'm actually using on the moped right now. So the tires that I'm using now are Michelin S83s, and the size is 3 inches by 10 inches. This is originally a tubeless tire for small mopeds, but I have mounted a tube inside because these are split rims, so they will not hold air. You have to put a tubeless tire inside, but they work really well, they fit really well. Now already a couple of years ago, when I mounted these tires, when I was overhauling this moped, and since then I have not added any extra air or anything like this, so it works really well. And the reason why I chose this Michelin S83 tire was because of the pattern of the. So on the left is a Michelin, and on the right is the original tire. So not exactly the same, but similar tread pattern. So that's why I chose these tires. And for 2 tires I think I paid, was it 50 euros or something like that. I can be mistaken because many years ago. And the reason I went for the Michelin tires is that, of course, the original tires are too old to be used on the road. And when I was overhauling this moped, the tires were covered with mold, and when I was washing them, cleaning them, and as you can see here also, all this rubber, it just came off. So rubber is very brittle, it's quite hard. For that reason I replaced the tires. But also one positive is that this moped doesn't have suspension in the back. So if you have modern soft tires, the ride is a little bit more comfortable. Yes, the saddle has a spring, so it also helps a little bit, but the original tire is very hard-walled, so the newer tire gives more riding comfort. And the reason also what I wanted to make this video is maybe to show the information on the original tire, so maybe that's helpful for somebody. And as you can see, it's made in USSR. This is the I think it's a part number, and tire model is K90, and 3 inches by 10 inches is the tire size. You have some other numbers here, and I'm not sure, but does it say 84 here? 21st week of 84, that makes sense, I think, but I'm not sure. And the emblem of the tire factory. And on the other side is exactly the same information. And this is the tire pattern. And also the tube. These are also original, that were with this motorbike. The same factory emblem, made in USSR, and the tire number and the size, but it's the same number as on the outer tire, so I guess it's not the part number. I'm not sure what number that is, but that is what I wanted to show, and the reasons I went for the modern tire instead of this. However, I would like to use these tires as well, so I don't throw them away. Maybe I will still use them at some point, but because the tire is very hard and rubber is brittle, I was afraid to use them. And I think tires older than 10 years are not a good idea to use. Of course, the speeds on this moped are not so high, and most likely you're not gonna ride it in the rain and stuff like this. This is just a hobby thing, so I went with the new tires. So that was all what I wanted to talk today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next videos.